So here we have to the left the development environment where we see that we have the CLI tool installed locally and a series of packages in the file system format. These could be all of the artifacts that are required in order to deploy an hyper-distributed application. In addition to those ones, we could need some Docker images that we also have here locally. What we're going to show now is how we could be able to push all of them to the same OCI registry, which in this case we will be using Harbor or Docker Hub. We have the options to create it with the two things. Now we have locally all of the artifacts ready to be pushed. These could be all of the artifacts that are handled with our own custom CLI tool. And just for demonstration purposes, we see that we have them available now here. The virtual network functions are uploaded with a series of um, configuration information that is useful for OSM to understand what it can do with the artifact. Things like the dependencies that it has for external software, such as a Helm chart from the stable repository, and open it up, where the descriptor is located, and other useful information. Something very similar for the network service is available here. And then for the virtual object that we create in the Nephele project, something similar, specific to the Nephele project, as well as for the um, hyper-distributed application graph. Now we are also able to use this same OC registry to push Docker images and Helm charts. With this, we see that the OC registry is indeed compatible with other tools used in the industry. This one that provides custom information for Helm and the Docker image that also has the required information from the Docker CLI tool. Just to test that indeed we can also use Docker Hub, since the OC registry is the same in the sense that they both implement the same distribution and specification. If we decide to do something like this, but instead push to docker.io, we should see that it is available now here. Mhm. And if instead of that one, we decide to push any of the OSM packages, like on the network service, we see that now we could use Docker Hub to store this type of artifacts as well.